Just made a pit stop at the Great Lake in Tasmania, just south of Launceston, towards the middle of the little state. There's a couple of people out there walking, looking for stuff. They've got welly boots on. Not sure what they're looking for, but they've been walking all the way along the edge. Interesting. Apparently the boat ramp has been closed because the water level's so low at the moment. I'll climb up on this little ramp that's been pulled in. Water's quite brown. It looks clear. Hi, how you going? Greyhounds?
Yes.
Yeah. I like the water?
Yeah, they do. I've got one that would make a very good retriever.
Oh yeah, oh nice. Keep them warm with their blankets.
Yes.
Anyway, that's the Great Lake in Tasmania. Catch you later.